the next ones. We have two sets of parentheses, so we're going to use the distributive property twice. And so on the first one, I'm going to get negative 16x. Negative times a negative is a positive 10. And then that plus 2x just goes behind it. On the other side, I'm going to get 4x and plus 20.
So your 4 comes over to the 2, negative 4x?
We could do that. Because we've got two of them with x's here. Normally what they're going to do is combine their like terms first before they start moving things.
Okay.
They only move things after they have 2 and 2.
Okay.
So in this case, they're going to put these ones together first. Negative 16 plus 2 would give me negative 14x plus 10 equals 4x plus 20. However, it is okay. If you subtract that 4x, it's going to still end up being okay as long as you do your math all right. But if you look on the ALEKS program, they're going to do that first, and then they're going to start moving things. So now they're going to subtract their 4x and subtract their 10. So if I do that,
Negative 18x equals 10.
equals 10. And then when I divide, that doesn't come out to a nice whole number, but I have to simplify that fraction.
1.8.
Change it to a fraction.
We'll change it to a fraction?
Yep, they're going to want fraction answers.
Can I simplify that one? Oh, 9/5.
I think you did it the wrong way around then.
Oh, did I?
So, on your calculator, do 10 fraction negative 18. That's what you've got there, right?
Yeah.
Instead of the dividing, because the dividing gives you the decimal.
Oh, 5/9.
So negative 5/9. Because 10 and 18 were both divisible by 2, right? So negative 5/9 is how they're going to want that answer. So number 5, getting rid of our parentheses. On the left-hand side, what would we get?
5y minus 15. Am I multiplying that one? No, plus, oh, minus 6.
Exactly. Equals on the right-hand side.
20y minus 25 minus 5y.
Yep. So since we've got a whole bunch of terms there, their first step is going to be combining the like ones that are on the same side. We're going to put the negative 15 and the negative 6 together on the left, and the 20y and the minus 5y together on the right.
So it's going to be 5y minus 21 equals 15y minus 25.
Now we can solve it like we did before. So what should we do next?
15y comes over.
So minus our 15y.
And your negative 21 goes to positive 21.
Plus 21, exactly.
So that's going to be 10y.
It's going to be, what's your sign?
Minus
Minus 10y equals
negative 4.
negative 4, exactly.
It's going to equal,
And then we're going to divide and simplify that fraction.
so 10 goes up on top.
What goes on top?
Oh, negative, you got, oh, okay, I had it right.
Okay.
Okay, so that's going to be 2, so it's going to be 2/5.
2/5, exactly. And it's going to be positive since we had a negative over a negative. So y equals 2/5. So number 6, if we are simplifying that one, On the left side, if we do our distributive property,
Negative 2y plus 8.
what's your sign?
What's it going to be negative?
It is, because I have a negative times a positive.
Okay, negative 8 equals, hold on, wait a minute. Do I do the 4y times 4y?
Nope.
Nope.
What are you going to do? Where's your multiplying at? It's way down here, right?
Oh, okay.
So this stuff in front, the 4y minus 2, is just going to come down. And then I got to do the multiplying there at the end.
Oh, so it's going to be 8y
Plus 8y
6.
plus 6. So that 8y has a plus sign in front of it. And so the left side only has 2 terms, but the right side, I'm going to be able to combine some stuff, right?
Yep.
Put my y's together, put my numbers together to simplify that. Negative 2y minus 8 is going to equal
12y plus 4.
Yep. Now I can go about solving it.
That's going to be 10y.
Well, tell me what you're going to do.
Oh, I'm moving my 12 over to...
You're moving your 12 over, so when you move your 12, you're going to have
a positive.
No.
Oh, a negative?
a negative because it is positive.
Oh, okay, so I'm going 14 then.
So it's going to be negative 14y.
14y minus becomes a positive 12.
So negative 14y equals 12.
Negative 14y. So that's going to be 2 sevenths.
How'd you get
6 sevenths.
6, and what's your sign?
Negative.
Negative. So negative 6 sevenths. Because again, we could divide by 2. So negative 6 sevenths is going to be my answer. So yep, if your parentheses are way down there on the end, the front stuff's just going to come down, and then you're going to multiply there on the end.